Am I recording? Yes, I am. Hi guys, I'm with Pat Wick today. Mr. Pat Wick. Oh god, this is going too fast. No! Yeah, I always land in this one on that one. Why can't I land in the pink one? Or the blue one? Anything but red. Reset. Can anyone hear me? Hello, can anyone hear me? You, jump twice if you can hear me. Hello, can anyone hear me? You young lady, jump twice if you can hear me. I'm gonna keep this on. You young lady, jump twice if you can hear me. And she left. Whee! Pat Wick did not leave yet. Woohoo, baby. I don't care, Pat Wick. I don't care. Oh god, I'm not having my subscribers be traumatized by Patrick's ugly story. That's a joke, don't worry, Patrick, I love you. Not in that kind of way. Oh, wee! 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 And that links to my dad. Cool. I'm gonna check. Cool. Pat Wick is Big Ben is the best. I have a friend called Big Ben. See this username right here? I think you should all click that button, the subscribe button. If you're so cool, everyone. Oh my. I bet you kicked his butt. Hell no, bro. Patrick giving away his age to people. Oh no, no, no. I did not mean to go. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I got killed by my mom's best friend. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh no, there's one. Oh my god. What the Sigma? You see, the subscribe button says you. I think you all should click it before it eats you up. Anyways guys, subscribe if you're cool, and yeah, bye bye.